Welcome back, my people. Let's continue from where we left. We were discussing about the remedies you can apply when you have a stomach flu or a stomach bug to assist in relieving the symptoms and enable quick recovery. And before we continue, let me remind you that it's very important to subscribe and put the notification bell on so that whenever I produce a video, you will be automatically notified by YouTube and you'll never miss any of our content. So, let's get back to discussing the remedies you can apply to assist in relieving symptoms of stomach flu and enable quick recovery. We discussed the first point, which was about taking plenty of fluids, and we talked about the most important, or the fluids, the type of fluids you can take, because it's not every fluid which is watery you can take when having a stomach flu, because some of them, like alcohol for example, they just aggravate the problem or they just increase the complications. So point number 2 is try eating or taking brat diet. Brat diet involves bananas, rice, apple sauce and toast. So can be your go-to. This can be your go-to when it comes to an easy stomach. All the foods I've mentioned, that is bananas, rice, apple sauce and toast, can be your go-to when you have, or when it comes to an easy stomach. These 4 foods are easy to digest and contain carbohydrates to give you energy and replenish nutrients. Let's talk about bananas. Bananas are easy to digest and can replace potassium. That is, the bananas are rich in potassium and they can replace potassium you lose from vomiting and diarrhea and strengthen stomach lining. Apart from replacing the potassium you lose during vomiting and diarrhea, they can strengthen the stomach lining. Number 2, rice. White rice is easy for your body to process and provides energy from carbohydrates. Brown rice has too much fiber and may produce excess gas. So we advise you go for white rice because it has less fiber and won't make your stomach have a lot of gas. Number 3, apple sauce. Apple sauce provides energy boost due to the carbs and sugars, and contains pectin, which can help with diarrhea and it's easy to digest. Number 4, toast. Avoid whole wheat bread. This is important. Avoid whole wheat bread as fiber can be difficult on the digestive system. White bread is processed and easier to digest. A point to note, generally avoid dairy, fibrous foods and anything fatty and spicy. Avoid dairy, fibrous foods and anything fatty or spicy because they will just aggravate the situation. Number 5, dairy. Not everyone has a problem with milk when they have stomach flu, but it could be hard to digest and can aggravate gas and diarrhea. Dairy products contains a lot of proteins. And when you have a problem with your tummy or you have stomach flu, the digestive system will be compromised. And if you take foods with high protein diet, the digestion will be too slow, and this will increase the gas in your stomach and bring about discomfort and diarrhea also. Fiber. You don't need extra fiber if your bowels are loose. You don't need excess fiber if your bowels are loose. Grease. Avoid greasy and salty foods like bacon. Spices. Stay away from tomato-based dishes, curries, and chili sauces. The next point which will help in bringing you back or in recovery after taking a lot of fluids, try eating bread foods. The next one, try acid pressure to reduce nausea. Acid pressure to reduce nausea or the feeling like vomiting. This has been shown to be effective in treating some types of nausea. Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center suggests that finding pressure point P6 by measuring width of 3 fingers down from bottom of your from bottom of your 3 fingers. Press below that width with your thumb, and you will feel a sensitive spot between 2 tendons. Gently massage with your thumbs for 2 or 3 minutes, and this will assist in relieving nausea or the feeling of vomiting. This marks the end of our discussion today, and in the next video we will still be talking about this stomach flu, because a lot of diseases that concern the digestive system or the stomach have more or less the same symptoms. So that's why you will find, after discussing this topic, when we go the other topic, you will find some points resemble each other. So let's continue subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos so that they may reach the entire world and many people and the community can benefit from this. Thank you for your time, and let's have a wonderful weekend. Have a nice evening.